Hello everyone, welcome back to another DripWorks video, and today we're going to discuss the differences between screen type and disc type filters. Let's get started. Screen filters like the Irrigation Host Thread Y filter have a stainless steel screen that can be easily removed and cleaned. They remove particles such as sand, sediment, and other kinds of debris. This is the most commonly used filter in irrigation. Disc type filters like this Netafim Arkel filter use a stack of overlapping discs with grooves that capture contaminants. Disc filters are better at removing organic material like algae and moss. Screen filters remove inorganic materials like sand and scale. They are not recommended for removing organic matter like algae because contaminants can pass through the filter. When choosing a screen filter, consider the flow range, inlet pressure, and mesh rating. Disc filters are better for high flow rates and dirty water sources like ponds and irrigation ditches. Both filters can be cleaned, but the screen filter is easier to clean by rinsing or using a brush. A disc filter requires more cleaning because each disc needs to be cleaned. Both disc and screen types are offered in various thread and mesh sizes to fit your irrigation needs. To learn more about filters, visit dripworks.com. Remember to follow, subscribe, and give us a like. Drop your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.